everybody, my name's Claire and I'm one of the Seaquest Southwest coordinators for the Cornwall Wildlife Trust. The project is also coordinated by Cheryl Yarman and managed by Abby Crosby. We're really excited to present to you the Seaquest Southwest project, Bridging Citizens with the Sea. We'll give you a brief outline of the Seaquest Southwest project and hopefully inspire you to get involved. So in our presentation, we'll tell you a little bit about the project and discuss the aims of Seaquest Southwest with you. We'll also show you how the project has developed over the past 20 years and introduce our highlights of 2019. So the aims of Seaquest Southwest. So Seaquest Southwest is a citizen science project focusing on Cornwall's marine megafauna, and it's run by the Cornwall Wildlife Trust's marine team. Three main aims of the project are to engage people with the marine environment, to collect data on marine wildlife, and to better understand and conserve marine wildlife. Through our packed annual programme of events, talks, surveys and training, we raise the awareness of marine mammals and increase the understanding of marine megafauna in Cornish waters. We train up volunteers and work with local marine groups around Cornwall to bring people together to collect vital data and consequently to contribute to conserving marine wildlife. The project has been running for over 20 years. The data collected by Seaquest Southwest has identified trends and changes to marine environments around Cornwall and helped influence conservation decisions. Throughout its history, the project has progressed from a focus on marine mammal disturbance to monitoring basking sharks, and now to incorporating all marine megafauna in regular surveys. We now work with 6 marine groups around Cornwall: National Trust Lizard and West Cornwall, Newquay Marine Group, St Agnes Voluntary Marine Conservation Area, Mounts Bay Marine Group, Falmouth Marine Conservation, and the Three Bays Wildlife Group. We have a huge network of volunteers, a full programme of events which includes watches, training and talks, and we hold our Marine Recorders Evening and publish a comprehensive report of findings each year. So our highlights of 2019. So last year we had 19 sightings of humpback whales submitted to us, and that was through our surveys and incidental sightings on social media and online recording platform Orcs. The first was caught on camera just off the coast of Falmouth in February, and the last was in July in Mounts Bay whilst the animal was feeding. We also had 3 different sightings of white-beaked dolphins on the south coast of Cornwall, and that was between May and August. Usually inhabiting cold waters of the North Sea and the North Atlantic, they're a rare visitor to our coast. There is, however, a small population in Lyme Bay, and researchers still need to identify if this is a population that's visiting Cornish waters. There were unprecedented numbers of common dolphins in our coastal waters, with 729 sightings submitted to us throughout the year. Common dolphins are regularly seen off the coast in Cornwall, usually visiting whilst foraging for food. Last year we had sightings all year round, with a big peak in January, and then another peak from June to September. There was also another unusual visitor to our shores in July, a sei whale. They're rare visitors to coastal waters and usually inhabit deeper waters of the continental shelf. Throughout our programme of annual events, which includes talks by local researchers and marine experts, volunteer training, and monthly public sea watches at various locations around Cornwall, we engaged with 844 people. We trained 75 new volunteer surveyors who now regularly provide us with valuable data. We also held our annual Marine Recorders Evening, which was attended by over 100 people, with talks on a wide variety of subjects, including shore search, marine strandings, Cornish seabirds, and beachcombing. So thank you very much for listening to me and watching. We'd also like to say a massive thank you to everyone who's contributed to Seaquest over the past 20 years. If you have any questions or you're inspired to get involved with this amazing project, please contact us on our email or our Facebook information that's on this slide. So thanks again for listening.